Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of hearing about Batana oil, or probably if I've heard about it but you haven't had the chance to try it, or you don't even know how to use it, I'm going to tell you all about it in today's video, how to use it and how to maximize its benefit for your hair growth. So make sure you're paying attention and you're not skipping any part of this video. And if you are one of my returning subscribers, you know how much I appreciate the love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you being here, and I know you're going to benefit a lot from today's video. So let's get straight into the video. So again, my first ingredient is Batana oil. Let me tell you some facts about Batana oil. Batana oil is a one ingredient product. So that oil is extracted. I have made a video on how Batana oil is extracted, and I'll make sure to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to go check it out. Batana oil can help with hair growth. It can repair split ends, damaged hair, and also improve the texture of your hair. Batana oil can be used by all hair types. This is one oil that is not just made for a certain type of hair. It is great for all hair types. It doesn't matter your hair type. You can use it as is, or you can follow this recipe to maximize its benefits. The next ingredient is mint. Mint is one of the natural ingredients that I really love because it also going to stimulate blood flow in your scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. Mint can prevent dandruff and other scalp issues. It is also going to strengthen your hair strength. My next natural ingredient is clove. Clove is another powerful natural ingredient which is really popular. I know a lot of you watching me have already tried clove one way or the other. But if clove hasn't worked for you, you're probably not using it the right way. Or maybe it's not just for you. But either way, follow this recipe and use clove this way and find out how it's going to work best with your hair. So I added some olive oil after blending clove and mint together. But hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so what you see me now doing is trying to melt the Batana oil. I put it in the hot water and allow it to melt completely and also be warm to touch. Also, I added some olive oil to the mint and clove that I blended, and I also am going to use the double boiler method to infuse the two. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. You can use grapeseed oil, coconut oil, olive oil, any oil that you feel like. Top it up with the ingredients. I didn't use any specific measurement. It all depends on the quantity you're trying to make. But the trick is make sure your oil covers all the ingredients you will blend together. After that, you give it a stir every now and then. Let it sit in the water for about 20 minutes. Then you're going to set it aside and allow it to even infuse more for a couple of hours. And this is shea butter. Shea butter is very great when it comes to moisturizing your hair. Shea butter will moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized for a very long time. If you're someone who experiences a lot of hair breakages or your hair is usually dry, Adding shea butter to your hair care routine might be the solution for you. So today we're going to add some shea butter to this recipe. I'm also going to melt my shea butter to also get it in the liquid form. I use the double boiler method to melt everything together. You can melt all your ingredients in one bowl at a time, but I did it this way separately to let you know the exact measurements you are going to mix together in order to come up with today's recipe. So whilst the shea butter is melting, it is time to strain the clove and mint oil. And I first used a strainer, and later on I had to use a material with tiny holes, that is a paper towel, to trap all those little particles because you do not want anything in your hair. You can also use a cheesecloth or any cloth with tiny holes. So at this point, this is my melted Batana oil. And this is my melted shea butter. And we also have the oil, which is the mint and clove oil. So at this point, we're going to measure equal amounts of these three oils, okay? So if you take 2 tablespoons of Batana oil, make sure to take 2 tablespoons of the mint and clove oil, as well as 2 tablespoons of the shea butter. Just an example. I hope you understand what I mean. So you take equal portions of the 3 oils. After that, you're going to add some vitamin E oil to it, just a few drops. It is going to help prevent hair breakages and also strengthen your hair strands. I also love to add essential oil. You can feel free to add any essential oil of your choice. I decided to add peppermint essential oil today because it is also great to treat the scalp and stimulate new healthy hair growth. Once I have these two added to my recipe, I'm going to give everything a very good stir, and I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator and allow it to solidify. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also share with one person. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. Once you have your recipe out like so, you're going to use it as you would use any hair moisturizer. You can use this whenever your hair feels dry or on your wash day to moisturize your hair. Leave it in, do not rinse it out. This will grow your hair and repair your damaged hair, as well as improve the texture of your hair. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one.